Let's talk about the single most expensive habit in the roofing industry. It's not overspending on materials or inefficient crews, though those are costly. It's the delay. That small, seemingly insignificant gap in time between a potential customer showing interest and you actually engaging with them. A study by Lead Response Management, a group that lives and breathes this data, found that your odds of contacting a new lead decrease by over 10 times in the first hour. But the real magic number is 5. If you follow up with a new lead within 5 minutes, you are 9 times more likely to convert them into a paying customer. Let me repeat that, because it's the most important number for your business. 5 minutes. Not 5 hours. Not the next business day. 5 minutes. Now, be honest with yourself. When a new lead comes in from your website's contact form at 9 p.m. on a Tuesday, how long does it take for you to respond? When someone messages your company's Facebook page on a Saturday morning asking for a quote, are you responding instantly? For 99% of roofers, the answer is no, and for good reason. You're on a roof managing a crew. You're meeting with an insurance adjuster. You're with your family, or you're sleeping. And in that time, that homeowner who needs an urgent repair has already found 3 other roofers who were more responsive. That lead didn't just go cold. It was actively and willingly given to a competitor who had a better, faster system in place. If you lose just 2 high-value jobs a week because of a slow follow-up, that's easily $20,000 in revenue vanishing from your business every single week. That's $1 million a year. This isn't a small leak. It's a gaping hole in your revenue stream. This is where the game has completely changed for contractors who are paying attention. You don't need to hire a 24/7 call center anymore. The solution is an intelligent AI-powered chatbot that acts as your perfect digital receptionist. And I need you to understand, this isn't the dumb, frustrating chatbot from 5 years ago that could only say, "How can I help you?" and then get stuck in a loop. Modern AI chatbots are incredibly sophisticated. They can be trained on your exact services, your pricing models, your specific service area, and your entire sales process. They become a true extension of your business. When a lead lands on your website, the chatbot can instantly engage them with a personalized, intelligent message. Hi, thanks for visiting Apex Roofing. I see you're in the Dallas area. Are you looking for a free estimate for a roof repair or a full replacement? The conversation has started instantly. You've already won the speed game. But it goes so much deeper than just a simple greeting. The chatbot can then ask crucial qualifying questions that your sales team would ask anyway. To give you the most accurate quote, could you tell me if your roof is primarily shingle or metal? Or have you noticed any active leaks inside your home? It can answer their frequently asked questions immediately, 24/7. Are you licensed and insured? The bot can respond, yes, we are fully licensed and insured in the state of Texas. I can provide our license number if you'd like. What's your warranty? The bot can pull from its knowledge base and explain your specific warranty terms on materials and labor. This process not only qualifies the lead, but also builds trust and credibility by providing instant, accurate answers. It positions you as a professional, organized operation before a human has even gotten involved. And here's where it becomes a true revenue-generating tool. The chatbot can integrate directly with your company's calendar. After answering a few questions, it can say, "It sounds like we can definitely help. Our project manager, John, has availability for a free, no-obligation inspection tomorrow at 10 a.m. or 2 p.m. Does either of those times work for you?" The customer can select a time, and the chatbot books the appointment directly into John's calendar, sending a confirmation to both the customer and your team. This entire interaction, from initial contact to qualified booked appointment, can happen in under 90 seconds, at any time of day or night, without any human intervention. It works tirelessly while you sleep, while you're on a roof, while you're at your kid's baseball game, ensuring every single person who shows even a flicker of interest in your business is engaged, qualified, and moved to the next step in your sales pipeline instantly. Let's contrast the two scenarios. Scenario A. A lead fills out your form at 10 p.m. You see it the next morning at 7 a.m. You call them, but they don't answer because they're getting their kids ready for school. You leave a voicemail. They finally call you back that afternoon, but they say, "Oh, thanks for calling, but another company already came out this morning and we're moving forward with them." That lead is gone forever. Scenario B. The lead fills out your form at 10 p.m. Within 5 seconds, the AI chatbot engages them. It answers their questions, builds their confidence, and schedules a confirmed inspection for the next day. When you wake up, you don't have a cold lead to chase. You have a booked appointment on your calendar with a qualified homeowner who is already impressed by your company's professionalism and responsiveness. Which scenario do you want for your business? One is a constant, frustrating chase. The other is a streamlined, automated system for growth. This is the power of leveraging modern AI. It's about creating systems that allow you to focus on what you do best, installing quality roofs, while the technology handles the repetitive but critically important task of rapid lead engagement. It's how you scale your business without scaling your stress. You're no longer limited by the number of calls you can personally make in a day. The system works for you, ensuring that the marketing dollars you spend to generate leads are never ever wasted due to a slow response time. If you'd like us to install an AI chatbot that never misses a lead for your business, click the link below to schedule a free, no-obligation strategy session. We'll show you exactly how this technology can be tailored to your specific services and sales process and get you set up to capture every opportunity.